Today I'm gonna talk about red lipsticks and how to go about them, how to wear them, and what is the right lipstick for you. So I know that a lot of you steer clear from red lipsticks because you think that it's too loud for you, it's a little too bold for you. But trust me, there is a red lipstick for every girl out there. There are different finishes, different textures, different color undertones which you can play with and find out what is the best red lipstick suited for your complexion, for your personality. The red actually complements our skin tone like nothing else. The red color is actually meant for the Indian skin tones because it brings out the golden in our face, the golden in our complexion. So I think that red lipsticks completely go with the Indian skin tone, no matter what complexion you belong to. Now there are few guidelines by wearing red lipstick. Now if you wear really bold, stark eyes and a red lipstick, it'll look like you're completely calling out for attention. Like, look at me. You don't want that. So muted eyes and red lips, perfect combination. If you do not wear eyeshadows, I think that's best. But if you must wear eyeshadows, stick to mattes, stick to coppers, stick to brown, stick to actually a matte naked palette which will give you a really subtle brown naked nude actually color on your eyes and make you look like really pretty and glamorous without making you look like totally bold and whatever. So this is one guideline you must follow. I personally use a thick band of eyeliner and with a thick coat of mascara on my upper lashes. I completely leave my lower waterline and lash line completely bare because it works for me. Now it may not work for you, so you can try and experiment different stuff. And if you must apply a lot of color, if you like color with red, then green goes really well with red. So you can use a green eye pencil and apply it really close to your lash line like an eyeliner and make a small flick over here because it'll look really classy without overdoing it. So I have a few red lipsticks with me. Oh, okay, one more point. This part of a face is comparatively darker than the rest of our face. So in order to bring the optimum potential of the red lipstick, it's best if you come remove any kind of discoloration from this area by using a BB cream, foundation, or powder, whatever you like to apply. Just make sure that this part of the face does not look dark because then the red color does not come out really well. Or for that matter, any lipstick does not come out any well. It's like a painting on a canvas. If the canvas itself is not really clear, then the painting or the colors of the painting won't come out the way they should. So yeah, so I'm going to show you a few red lipsticks which I think you girls can rock. And this is my first choice. Is the Non-Stop Red from Maybelline 14-hour collection. It's priced at 525, but there are a number of online websites out there which are giving a huge discount on this product right now. So you may go and check it out. I am in complete awe of this lipstick because it instantly makes me look brighter and prettier. This is in my bag all the time because there are times when I go out and I really don't have makeup on my face and suddenly a plan pops up out of nowhere and I have to be somewhere. I need to look a little glamorous when I'm meeting my friends. So this comes to the rescue all the time and makes me look like pretty without much makeup on the rest of my face. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the swatch. Like, look at the pair. Can you see the pair? This is single swipe and it gives completely opaque finish. It's best for girls with medium to light skin tones because it has a little bit of pinkish hint to it. So yeah, light and medium skin tones, you're completely gonna rock it. The next lipstick which I'm gonna show you is from Oriflame and this shade is called Smoke Red, and it is a creamy textured lipstick. The first one which I showed you was a completely matte finished lipstick, and this is a creamy textured lipstick. If you like a creamy mouth, then this is the lipstick you should go to. I actually do not know the price of this product because this was gifted to me. uh don't know if you can, yeah. This is the lipstick, the Smoke Red from Oriflame. It has a creamy finish. It has a little bit of maroonish hint to it, which will look really good on dusky to dark complexions. I think that girls who have dusky complexions look really smoldering and sexy, and this by just by wearing this, they'll amp up their looks like many folds. This is the next lipstick. It's the Color Riche from L'Oreal. It's priced at 899 rupees, which is expensive for a lipstick. This is somewhat the quantity they give. The packaging is super classy, and this is one lipstick which I think will go for all Indian skin tones, no matter what. The shade is called Blaze of Red, and I'll show you the swatch. It's a semi matte finish, and this is the lipstick. I think it's if you can see it clearer now. This is super nice for all skin tones. I can't tell you in enough good qualities of this lipstick. The only problem it has is that it's not transfer resistant. So the L'Oreal people, if you're listening, it's almost 1000 for this lipstick, and you must make it transfer resistant. Otherwise, the payoff, the color, the texture, everything is like superb. I have no complaints from this product. Now, if you think that red is not really the color for you, and you think that you need you a little too new to the red color, but still you want to work with the red color, so this is the product for you. This is from Revlon. It is the Kissable, just bitten kissable lip stain balm. It's a really long name. It's priced 700 rupees. I have reviewed this product before, but I'm reviewing it again. It's 045 Romantic, and it's really sheer. If you do not want to play with a really opaque red mouth, this is the product you have to really work with. If you can build this product to give the amount of coverage you want, and I think that it's a must have for all the college going girls who really want to work with the red mouth, but are a little too they have certain inhibitions. I'll give you three strokes for you to see the color a little better. It's a red, and it's a very nice red color, just that you have to build up the color because it's a balm at the end of the day. And yeah, it's a little it's not completely non-resistant like to transfer, but yeah, this product does not transfer very easily. The only problem with this is that it has a minty kind of a smell, which may be a turn off for somebody, some people, someone out there. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is the next product. This is from the Body Shop. This is the lip and cheek stain doll. She's so cute. Like, look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. It's worth 1400 rupees, but I was lucky to buy it at a sale for 700 rupees, which had a 50% discount. Lucky me. This is for all those girls out there who do not want a creamy or matte or any kind of finish, just a nice hint of red color which will make you look healthy. It's really nice, but it does not give any opaque finish or anything. It's just a stain. You have to build up the color, and I wouldn't suggest this product for anybody who has pigmented lips, because then the contrast will be like crazy. Don't don't do that. This is the color. I've put like two swipes. It comes with a brush like this, so you can you can have a nice precise application with this. So this video is becoming too long, and the last product is this. If you are a lover of glosses, 350 bucks. is what you have to spend for the Maybelline Color Sensational High Shine Lip Gloss. Brilliant, whatever, it's some other language. This is like an amazing gloss. I'll show you the swatch, where to show you. Okay, this is the swatch. It's a shiny, shiny color and it looks really nice. Just make sure that the rest of your makeup is completely matte while wearing this color, or else you'll end up looking like a disco ball. It's shiny eyes, shiny cheeks, and shiny lips. No, it's a big no. Don't do that. This with matte makeup, no eyeshadow or like really nude matte eyeshadow and matte makeup, no cream blushes, just matte matte blushes, and you'll be rocking, girl. You'll be rocking it. So yeah, these were the different lipsticks I was supposed to show you, and I've shown told you the prices of each product. Go check them out in the market. Let me know which one you liked, which one you did you not like. If you need any more suggestions with the red lip colors, and let me know if you want me to do any other DIYs, product reviews. I'm always here to help you. So yeah, take care. Bye.